need FMC, Firepower Management Center, which manage FTDs, different FTDs from centralized location. Okay, again download from torrent file, the one which I already shared. Here is FMC. Right click on this one, 7-zip, extract them. Okay, you need to extract them 2 times. Okay, so just wait, and after that FMC, go to FMC folder, still extracting, so just wait a while. Again naming is here, this time FMC. Okay, so it's almost done. Now right click again and 7-zip. You can use pre-utility 7-zip, either WinZip, whatever you have, but if you don't have, you can download free utility 7-zip. You can use that one. Okay, so until it's unzipped, so we need to go to that folder. So let me go to this, the FMC. Okay, I'm already here. Left side is my PC and right side is EVENG QEMU folder. Okay, we already done FTD, so just go to FMC. Okay, this is the final folder. I just need to drag this one, but drag this one, we need to wait until it's unzipped. Okay, just wait a while, and then we can drag to our QEMU folder. So you don't need to change anything, just drag it and done. Okay, so what we need, we just use this utility WinSCP. Type your IP of Eve, then the port number, choose SFTP, root username, password, whatever. By default is Eve if you did not change. Then it will land you on root. This is the remote machine and this is our local machine. Okay, you need to go to this location here. Okay, and you need to create a folder with this name. The name should be like this. F has to be smaller. Okay, it's mentioned like this. If you make them capital, it will not work, keep in mind. Uppercase. So then inside file name has to be vir virshu a something qcub, and you can create a folder directly here as well. You know, here you can create a folder, either you can use CLI as well, it's up to you. But in our case, we have ready-made images from torrent. Just unzip 2 times because it's gzip. Gzip is the Linux zip version. 2 times unzip it and just drag the final folder here and apply permission. That's it. And now you will see here, when you go, there will be FMC as well, and you can run FMC. So we are waiting, and until that time, let me paste the command. This is the permission command, but just after a while we will apply. And same way, later in the course we will do WSA, ESA and IPS. It's also ready-made images there in torrent file. Okay, so also you can install the same image in GNS3, but you need to increase your RAM up to 16 GB in GNS to run these images. And here I will show you I am running 12 GB RAM. If you want to use your laptop, so at least 12 GB RAM you have to allocate to your laptop. Okay, so It's almost done. Apply permission, and now let's go to browser and node, type firepower. There is Cisco firepower. This is FTD. When you click, there is FMC as well. Now choose FMC and save. So now we have firepower. Both are firepower, but this one is FMC, this one is FTD. You can change the name as well if you are confused. So here this is FMC, change the name to FMC. Okay, save. So this is FMC management one, and this is the actual firewall. So FTD. Okay, and then whatever you can connect and you can use them, but I will use in next lab, so I don't need. Let me delete them. This is the way to install both the images.